Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to tell you some of the key features of the DMR 301208 mini washing machine. This is a semi-automatic top-load washing machine. It has a capacity of 3 kilograms and can handle a large number of clothes and similar other items at the same time. This mini washing machine also cleans uniformly and prevents the clothes from wear and tear. It comes with top-load feature and is easy to use at the same time. Owing to its compact design, this washing machine can easily fit in tight spaces and it can be carried around since it only weighs 7 kilos. The DMR 301208 comes with two ergonomic knobs. One is for wash and spin selector and the other one is for wash and spin timer. The knobs can conveniently perform both the clockwise and anti-clockwise washing modes. This semi-automatic washing machine also has a feature with a filter to collect the lint in a separate portion during each wash. It also has a semi-transparent lid, so that gives you an option to keep an eye on your laundry while managing your other work. So these were some of the key features of the DMR 301208 mini washing machine. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.